we are back again at the TCL store.
So from a variety of televisions, what we've decided to pick is the Mini LED. It's a brand new television from TCL. Of course, it's a Google TV run by Android. The model we're going for is 65 inches. It's got the 144 Hz display, which is the new one from TCL. Looks very crispy. Now, as you know, they let you test this in store before you take it home. So let's go ahead and test it out. So now that the television looks good, let's go ahead and take it home. Today on this channel, we've got the new TCL QD Mini LED. Let's go ahead and set it up on this new wall. Let's talk about the ports before we mount the TV to the wall. As you can see, we've got a cable connection, aux, 4 HDMIs, Ethernet connection and 2 USB ports. Now when you look closely to these HDMI ports, one is a 4K 144 Hz, which is the new one, 4K 120 Hz, a 60 Hz and another 60 Hz. In addition to that, we'll be setting up these RGB lights as well. Now that we've got the television set up, let's walk through it and let me show you what a beautiful masterpiece this is. This is the Mini LED of TCL and it's just beautiful. And right off the bat, what I've noticed is they've closed the gap between the wall and the television. It's even slimmer now, more slimmer bezels, little branding on the bottom. We've got the Google software running on this television again, and apparently this is 144 Hz. I cannot wait to jump in and let's look at some footage. Now let's start off and talk about the picture quality first. Most importantly, this television is known for its deeper blacks. So we have a sample image right here. We've got some black here, we've got some black here, the dark areas. This television definitely has a much more stronger and deeper black region. Now all televisions have a backlight, so blacks are not that strong. But this TV, I mean the darkness definitely, the black is definitely stronger. Talking about other colors like some of the blues here, the reds, the yellows, they're much more sharper, much more vibrant, much more clearer. Definitely one can only imagine how better televisions are going to get with each year, but when new ones come out, they always tend to surprise you and they're definitely better compared to last year. And definitely I'm just loving the black color of how dark this black is. What I'm going to do is let's play some sample videos for you guys, see what you guys think. Do let me know down in the comments as well what you think about the picture quality of this television. So do let me know what you guys think of that picture quality down in the comments before we move forward. Now that we have tested out the picture quality of the television as it's running in the background, I cannot wait to connect my PlayStation 5 and let's test out some gaming on this TV. So now that we've got our PlayStation 5 set up with this television, we're gonna launch this game, Spider-Man 2. Let's test it out, what the difference is. Obviously I've played this game before on my 75-inch QLED TCL. Now let's see what the difference is playing this game, the same game, on the mini LED of TCL.
New York stood tall and held the line. We see no acquiescence. After we take a moment to celebrate the freedom we fought so hard to retain, we must then turn our sights to the people responsible for putting us.
I mean, there's definitely.
I'm talking about Oscorp headquarters, the Spider. You're going to hear a lot of reports and lies surrounding the events of last week. Let me assure you, this is still just Spider-Man's fault for stealing Oscorp from the circus. That doesn't surprise me. But Oscorp needs to be held accountable. Don't worry, everyone. We'll all be home soon.
So now that we've tested picture quality, gaming on this television, let's talk about some important stuff about the TCL TV. Now in the past, as you know, I've had problems. The only few problems that I've had with TCL was one, their processor. It's always been slow. I mean, the moment you turn it on, the Wi-Fi connects a little late compared to other televisions. They're ready to go from the moment you turn them on. TCL in this matter was always slow. When you turn it on, it takes good time to connect to the Wi-Fi. And then generally the software was a bit slow. Till now that I've been using this television, I mean, it's been few hours, but definitely I can see a comparatively much better speed in which I'm operating this Android system from Google in this TV. The process does seem definitely faster. Lastly, what I would like to do is, as we all know, TCL has always been the best value for money television. I mean, yes, Sony's amazing, yes, Samsung is amazing, but we know they're really costly as well. So this television is still the #1 value for money TV, and now with a faster processor, which it is providing me at the moment, this definitely makes it one of the best, definitely up there, you know, competing with Samsung and Sony. So definitely improvements there. The price for this television is 355,000 Pakistan rupees. Plus there was a promotion there. They're giving out a free smart vacuum with this television. You don't get that instantly, but once you put your name down, once the purchase is final, like mine is, within the next 10 days, they've claimed that we're going to be delivered with a free smart vacuum. If you guys would like me to review that, do let me know in the comments. But till then, that was all from this television. Let me know what you think, what more tech you guys would like me to review. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Help me support this channel, make it better. I'd love to give my best and bring out the best content for you guys. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.